My name is Chris Glover, and I work as an equipment rental specialist here at Sunbelt in the Flooring Solutions Division in Raleigh, North Carolina, where I help my customers pick the best equipment for their job to make sure that they do the job safely, but also more importantly, make sure they get the best outcome for their project. I decided to take the train to trainer module because I've been in the cleaning industry for about 20 plus years in various capacities from operations, management, and training. I actually like training the most because it allows me to engage with my audience and allows me to show them some techniques and things in the cleaning industry. However, I think we can all agree that COVID-19 changed everything. And as a result, I wanted to take advantage of a train to trainer module so that I could be most updated with the latest training techniques, procedures, and everything that is needed to make the training aspect for my class the most effective and most updated material possible. When I think of the business challenges, I think of two things in particular. One are health hazards. I mentioned earlier about COVID 19, and I was stunned at many of the cleaning companies and cleaning professionals that actually ran away from taking advantage of this opportunity to make a difference. And as a result, I saw businesses close and lives change forever. However, with the CMI training, partnering with Sunbelt Raleigh Flooring Solutions, we were able to take this head on and making sure that our employees and colleagues were safe while providing our customers with the best in flooring equipment and also cleaning procedures to make sure that their employees, if they were reporting to work, were safe and they could work and go back home to their families in the best and safest way possible. I think that companies should take full advantage of what CMI offers, mainly because one, they offer classes that are in person, but certainly offer the convenience of online as well, as I was able to take recently in the train to trainer module. They also offer a plethora of other resources from their newsletter, their website, their LinkedIn posts, everything that you can imagine to stay updated in the cleaning industry. I am proud to say I work for a company that values investing in their employees as Sunbelt does. I feel that this type of training would differentiate myself from those who are very serious about cleaning to those who have settled for mediocrity in this profession.